Oh, look, it's Big Sissy, or little little Big Sissy, and her little brother. Look up, Brittany. I want to see your face. Oh yeah, he pulls hair.
That hurt. You're already at that stage. Wow, it's a little early for you, don't you think, Carrie? Don't you think that's a little early for you, the pulling the hair? Don't you think that's a little early? A little early?
Oh, and hi, Sissy. I'm doing my homework. I'm out visiting. Look at me, sis. Oh, look at that beautiful face. Oh.
Whoa! Whoa! You first? You think